Hello guys, today I want to share with you the process of deployment of the CRM and Traders Room in case we are chosen as your provider. So first of all, once an agreement has been signed, we will send you a questionnaire like this. It will include all of the basic questions such as company name, logo, website domain, and CRM domain. We will ask for the manager credentials to your trading platform and the links to your terminal. We will need to verify that you own an email address at your domain, and if you don't, we can assist you with the email setup and help you with the DNS. We will also assist you with the CDN setup such as Cloudflare. It is highly recommended. We will ask if you need any changes to the default risk warnings and terms and conditions that you want your traders to agree to before they can proceed. Finally, we will ask for your hosting geographical location. Unless you're legally required to host data in a certain location, you basically just choose the continent where you expect most of your traffic to be from. Your account manager will introduce you to the project manager. From now on, this will be a dedicated contact. They will know your system better than anyone and will plan each feature going forward. So, the setup starts with DNS pointing. We will need to point the chosen CRM domain to the IP address of the server where it's hosted. Then the CRM is deployed. It's a multi-stage process and it depends on your package. It could be CRM only, but it could also be CRM plus multi-level IBs, MAM or PAM, internal one or external one. You also have to consider reporting modules, payment systems, CRM regions, prop firm expansions, open APIs, KYC automation, and more. So there might be minor details required on each of those, and your project manager will be in touch with each of your PSPs, with each of your providers. They'll ask for any preferences on PAM allocations and so on. In case of prop firm expansion, the project manager will bring up a chart like this. It will define all the events that are triggered when certain thresholds are passed. Once agreed upon, they will be passed to the dev team to make sure they implement it as described. Once all the info is gathered, we create a number of tasks for each of the department. There is going to be someone who connects to your trading platform and syncs the trading data, another one to deploy the CRM, others to deploy other expansions, and yet another one to implement all the payment systems and KYC integrations. Once everything's said and done, a quality assurance department takes over to perform a test of all the vital functions. So normally it takes only a couple of days to set up a system, as long as it's a simple one. Maybe a week for more complex setups, and implementations of customizations and data imports can take longer than that, as it requires its own cycle with testing and Q&A after initial and all the following setups are complete. Remember that it takes time to implement Cloudflare, point DNS, set up email, and customize workflows. The final step is to implement the registration forms and login links on your site. Then you go live. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you again next time. Goodbye.